Let's be honest, when your energy drops, when that inner drive fades, and when your strength isn't quite what it used to be, it can feel like your own body is slowly betraying you. It's frustrating, and it can knock your confidence. But what if I told you that the secret to restoring your testosterone, your vitality, and even your passion could be sitting right inside your fruit bowl? That's right, simple, delicious fruits, not expensive supplements or risky pills, can reawaken that masculine power your body once had. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to eat daily to naturally boost your testosterone levels, improve blood flow, and bring back that youthful spark. And this isn't just wishful thinking. It's all backed by solid science and centuries of natural wisdom. You are going to be surprised at how small, consistent changes in your diet can transform not only your energy but your confidence and performance too. As men get older, testosterone levels naturally begin to drop. It happens slowly, quietly, and often goes unnoticed at first. You might find yourself feeling tired all the time, losing muscle mass, gaining that stubborn belly fat, or even struggling with mood swings and a low sex drive. Many people just blame stress or getting older, but a big part of the truth is that our modern diets are stripping men of the essential nutrients needed to maintain their natural vitality. Think about it. Refined sugars, processed foods, and a more sedentary lifestyle all lead to poor blood circulation and hormonal imbalance. You might find yourself relying on another cup of coffee or sugary energy drinks just to get through the day, not realizing that nature has already provided powerful, effective alternatives. I'm talking about fruits that nourish your hormones, energize your body, and even enhance your sexual health in a safe, natural way. But here's the really fascinating part. There's one particular fruit that works almost like nature's own testosterone booster. It doesn't just help raise your hormone levels, it actually helps your body use the testosterone it has more effectively. It's a game changer, and don't worry, I'll reveal that exact fruit in just a moment. So, let's start with the basics. What even is testosterone? It's so much more than just a male hormone. It's the fuel behind your energy levels, your muscle strength, your mood, and yes, your sexual function. Low testosterone isn't just about a dip in libido. It affects everything from your mental focus and bone density to how alive and ready you feel to take on the day each morning. The foods you eat play a massive role in regulating this crucial hormone, and among all the healthy foods out there, fruits are often the most underestimated powerhouses. So let's dive into some of the most powerful ones you can add to your diet, starting today. First on our list is the pomegranate, often called the ancient elixir of vitality, and for good reason. This deep red fruit has been hailed as a natural Viagra for centuries, but now science is backing it up. Multiple studies have shown that pomegranate juice can increase free testosterone levels by up to 24% and dramatically improve blood circulation. It's absolutely packed with potent antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage, which in turn supports stronger, longer-lasting energy both in and out of the bedroom. A simple glass of pure pomegranate juice daily, or a handful of the seeds sprinkled on your yogurt is all it takes to start reaping these incredible benefits. Next up, we have bananas, the ultimate energy stabilizer. You probably already know they're great for energy, but they do so much more. Bananas contain a special enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to boost testosterone production. They're also rich in vitamin B6, a key nutrient that supports your body's ability to regulate hormones effectively. Having one banana before your workout can give you the physical energy you need while also providing hormonal support. Or, having one in the morning can set you up for a more balanced day. It's a simple, affordable, and effective addition to your routine. Our third fruit is the avocado, the healthy fat powerhouse. This might surprise some people, but testosterone actually needs healthy fats to thrive. Your body literally cannot produce it without them. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, both of which are absolutely crucial for hormone synthesis. They also contain a good amount of magnesium, a mineral that is directly linked to maintaining healthy testosterone balance and helping your muscles recover after exercise. So, adding half an avocado to your salad or morning toast isn't just trendy. It's a strategic move for your hormonal health. Moving on to berries. The antioxidant shield. I'm talking about strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. These little gems are your body's best defense against oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest silent killers of testosterone. When your body is under chronic stress or inflammation, from a poor diet, lack of sleep, or environmental toxins, your testosterone production plummets. A cup of mixed berries each day helps protect your cells from this damage, improves blood flow throughout your body, and keeps both your heart and your hormones healthy and happy. And finally, let's talk about dates, the ancient men's tonic. In many Middle Eastern and Asian cultures, dates are revered as a natural tonic for male vitality, and this wisdom has been passed down for generations. They contain unique compounds like flavonoids and estradiol-like molecules that have been shown to enhance sperm quality, libido, and overall energy levels. A traditional remedy is to soak a few dates in a glass of milk overnight and eat them in the morning. It's an age-old practice for a reason. It works. Now, remember that one special fruit I mentioned earlier? The one that acts like nature's own testosterone amplifier? It's the pomegranate. What makes the pomegranate so special is that it has been repeatedly shown in scientific studies to not only improve testosterone levels, but also to enhance sexual performance and even boost your mood. This is largely because of its incredible impact on nitric oxide production in your body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow everywhere. This is key for heart health, athletic performance, and erectile function. So, pomegranate is literally a natural testosterone amplifier in liquid or fruit form. Just take a moment and think about this. Vitality isn't just about looking strong on the outside. It's about feeling truly alive on the inside. It's about being present with your loved ones, having the energy to pursue your passions, and enjoying life to the fullest. Every single choice you make, every meal you eat, can either drain that life force or empower it. You hold the power to choose. So, to close that loop we started, the one fruit that truly stands out as nature's testosterone booster is the pomegranate. But remember, the real magic happens with balance and consistency. A single fruit won't fix everything overnight. The goal is to build a powerful synergy. Combine pomegranates for that nitric oxide boost with bananas for sustained energy, avocados for those essential healthy fats, berries for antioxidant protection, and dates for that extra drive. When you do that, you've created a daily fruit arsenal that works with your body, not against it. You don't need magic pills or risky expensive treatments to feel like yourself again. Nature has already given you everything you need to feel strong, confident, and alive. Start small. Just add 1 or 2 of these fruits to your day, stay active, get enough sleep, and watch how your energy, mood, and overall vitality transform within a few weeks. It's a journey, but it's one your body will thank you for. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more natural ways to reclaim your health, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips that truly make a difference. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay healthy, and let nature do the healing.